Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin now by selecting Panorama mode and picking horizontal versus vertical sweep, because direction shapes composition. Once done, lock exposure and focus so brightness and sharpness stay consistent as you move. Make sure to enable grid lines to keep horizons level. These help prevent tilted results. Tap the shutter and position the left/right edge at the guide marker. Start moving smoothly. Keep your pace steady, because jerky motion causes stitching errors and blurred sections later. Once you're recording, move at a steady, even speed from start to finish. Sudden stops confuse the stitching algorithm. Make sure to keep the camera axis level, brace with both hands, use your shoulders, or mount to a small tripod for the smoothest arc. Follow the on-screen arrow closely and maintain about 20% overlap between frames so the software has matching features to blend. If you encounter moving subjects, pause until the path clears, then continue to avoid ghosting. You finish by following the guide to the end and tapping stop, or simply letting the phone auto-complete when the marker aligns. After capture, inspect the panorama at full size to verify seam alignment and consistent exposure. Mismatched brightness or visible joins indicate stitching trouble. If you see artifacts, retry the shot more slowly, increase overlap, or stabilize with a tripod to reduce parallax. And if movement caused ghosting, reshoot with fewer moving elements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.